2 divided by 0 equal to what? Okay, to understand 2 divided by 0 equal to undefined. To understand this problem, let me explain it clearly. Division statement and related multiplication statement. You know that multiplication means repeated addition and division means repeated subtraction, but we can also express division using related multiplication statement. However, 8, for example, 8 divided by 4 equal to what? This is the division statement. We know that if we divide 8 by 4 we get 2, right? So if you, so this 4 is a divisor, this 8 is a dividend, and this 2 is a quotient. If you multiply divisor times quotient, divisor times quotient, you will get dividend. So may I ask you, what multiply, look, what multiply, what what multiply with 4 gives you 8? What multiply with 4 gives you 8? Easily we can assume 2. So here 2 times 4 equal to 8. Okay, so 2 times 4 equal to 8 is a related multiplication statement for this division. Again, come here, 2 divided by 0. This is the division statement. What is the, this is the related multiplication statement. Can you guess what multiply by 0 gives you 2? Can you find any number? Okay, 1. 1 times 0, 0. You are not getting 2. If you consider 2, 2 times 0, 0. You are not getting 2. That is, you are not getting any number when multiplied by 0 will give you 2. So 2 over 0 is undefined, means there is no answer. Undefined means there is no answer.